We got some cod, some salmon, and a little smoked eel. No eel, scratch the eel.
Today is all about teamwork, but a hideous zibbleback is extra tricky, because one head breathes gas and the other head lights it. Good luck! Fish legs!
One head.
Get out of there, Hiccup!
Yeah. Back.
Run! Hiccup!
Don't make me tell you again.
Yeah!
Yeah, that's right. Back in your pen. Now, think about what you've done. So, are we done today? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Yeah? You itchy? Hiccup!